Hi, it's Steven here at Mobile World Congress looking at the Nokia 6. This phone comes in two configurations, one with 3 gig of RAM and 32 gig of storage, coming in at $279 and should come out in April. The other will be 4 gig with 64 gig, and that one we don't have pricing for just yet. At first glance, this looks a lot like last year's Nokia 6. Most of the differences you're going to notice will be on the inside. It has a Snapdragon 630 processor, which means it should run about 60% faster than last year's Nokia 6. It also has Android One, which means there's no bloatware, and it's pretty much a stock experience. You'll also get monthly security updates and quicker updates overall. And you probably should get Android P a little bit quicker as well. The case itself is constructed out of aluminum, like last year's Nokia 6. The frame is constructed of copper, which is usually not a big deal, but HMD used the copper to create some pretty beautiful lines around the phone. You'll see it around the fingerprint sensor, the camera, as well as the rocker buttons. The phone also has USB quick charging, and luckily they've kept the headphone jack. As for the cameras, you're going to see a 16 megapixel camera on the rear with Zeiss optics, and on the front you're going to see an 8 megapixel camera. There's a 5.5-inch FHD display, which unfortunately still has some pretty chunky bezels. Overall impressions, the Nokia 6 is a beautiful phone. HMD has made some big improvements in the software since it started manufacturing phones with the Nokia brand in 2017. The decision to go with Android One is great because you don't see any of the bloatware taking up space. You're going to get quicker updates. And it just responds really quickly. This is the first look at the Nokia 6 from Mobile World Congress.